incidentally where the ST elevations are, it's a little subtle. That's why.
Pooja.
Clavicular line.
Okay. V4.
V4 and V3 is between V2 and V4.
Okay.
And V5 is mid axillary line. Then V6 is anterior axillary line.
Correct. Good job. The point is, if you diagnose this, then you're getting a chance to save some myocardium.
His center has been providing EECP therapy to patients from the last 20 years.
Early repolarization syndrome will not localize to any territory. It will be there uniformly all throughout the ECG. Any doubts? Sorry, yeah, go ahead. But more so in case of patients who have rheumatic heart disease or who have undergone prosthetic valve replacement.
Conducting this event shows that his keen interest for the people of Ambur and surrounding. I pray Almighty Allah. His ancestors has done a lot in the field of education. Now his father and his family, Dr. Akber and his spouse, are into the field of healthcare.
Vitals, then you can go to a diagnosis. If you are not confident enough, there's nothing wrong in asking for help.
For the period of 3 to 4 months, he used to do it every day, every week, without missing opportunity. He used to come, and when the past medical officer, Dr. Sharma Devi ma'am, offered some sort of amount, he politely refused.